Good morning. This is Doug and Cindy with Help Me Help Mama 5cast. Thanks for joining in today.
Today we're going to talk about legal documents.
Yep.
If you're a caregiver for an aging parent, you need to look and see if your loved one has legal documents in place.
Well, that's a place to start. You know, if mom's like 70% of America, she probably doesn't. You know, so that's kind of the first step is, does she even have legal documents? So, you know, and a lot of times the kids live out of state and they've minded their own business. Mom and dad's minded their own business and they just really don't know.
So look around the house, ask mom, look in the lockbox, see if you can locate those. Now, next thing you're going to want to do is to make sure they're up to date.
So yeah, if you find them, if they have them, I mean, they may have been done in 1964, you know, and matter of fact, we talked to a person not long ago said, yeah, they've been in a lockbox for 30 years and we haven't even looked at them for 30 years.
Yes. And one of the things that we counsel our clients to do is to make sure they have the right people named. Because if you have the wrong people named and they have legal authority over all of your assets, your home, your CDs, your IRAs, everything, you need to make sure that they're going to use those for you because they have a lot of power.
You know, and if the documents were done when the kids were 2 years old, you know, and then the kids are now 30 years old, they may want the kids to be either executor of their will or trustee of their trust or agent under power of attorney, and they've got Uncle Frank named who's dead now. So, you know, it's important to get a review and to look at what they've got. Have they been reviewed recently? You know, has mom or dad, maybe she had a review done 10 years ago, but the laws have changed or situations changed. So it's important to get that done.
Look around the house, look in the lockbox, make sure your loved one has the legal documents that they need and that they are appropriate and that they name the right people to help make decisions when your loved one loses capacity.
And it's important also to do the documents, do what mom wants. And so if she's not sure, she could contact her attorney. You know, maybe she's got a will, maybe it's recent, maybe it's been updated, but it's a will. And so what does a will do? A will just says who gets your stuff when you die. But does she have a power of attorney that says who manages her assets for her if she's incapacitated? Does she have healthcare documents, you know, appointed who makes healthcare decisions for her? There's so many things. If she's, you know, if there's a possibility she may go to a nursing home, does she have documents in place that would protect any assets? You know, it could be she's going to a nursing home next week. You know, there's some definite planning that would need to be done in that case. So there's a lot of things to consider. And if you are one of the kids, you got to be careful here, because if you're the helper kid, you know, if you're the helper kid and you take mom to the lawyer and you sit in an appointment and she skews everything towards you and maybe names you the executor or maybe names you as attorney in fact, it can look a lot like you're overreaching. So if you're the helper kid, you got to be really careful. And, you know, if mom's able, she needs to make the call. She needs to visit with the lawyer. Maybe you need to sit out in the car.
Absolutely.
And, you know, make sure it's clear that mom's doing what she wants to do here. And you may have driven her to the appointment, but that's it. Now, if it's further down the road, what happens if mom's already lost capacity?
Yeah, then we're looking at a guardianship. So it's a court appoints a guardian for mom to make all decisions, control her assets, and to make medical decisions. She loses all control. And it doesn't provide her with as good a quality of life. So help mom or dad, or mom and dad, to set a plan in place to have the quality of life that they want.
And if they still got capacity is a slippery slope and it can pass quickly. So don't waste this opportunity. Encourage them to get things set up like they want while they can.
This will make it easier on you too as the caregiver.
Oh yeah, a lot.
So
Thanks for watching today. We hope you have a great day.
And thank you for being a caregiver for your loved one. You're making a huge difference in their life.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on that little notification bell to be notified the next time we do a video.
And if you want to interact with us, check out the description below and leave us a comment and let us know what legal or caregiver topics you'd like to hear about.